Today I'm going to talk about the special signature blend of oils, essential oils, which I have formulated for foot ache. I came across making this oil was because of me. I love to wear heels, and I used to have these seminars, and I used to have these talks, and I used to be on my heels in fact the whole day, the shoes the whole day. So really by the end of it, I found I used to really have a foot ache, So this oil is specially formulated for a foot ache, and you're going to find how you're going to use it. It has got, again, a blend of essential oils, which is excellent for aches and pains. It's got vetiver again, it's got lavender, it's got eucalyptus, it's got nutmeg, it's got all these oils which really help pain. And so you're going to take a little of this in your hand, and firstly, you're going to just massage it all over your feet. And after that, press each toe, starting with your big toe and go right through, every toe, first the tip of the toes. And after that, you're going to go right down like this and press it hard, because this is where the pain is. The next, you are going to take your hands and go all over the foot like this. Then you are going to wring the feet like this. After you've completed one foot, you're going to find that it is definitely going to be lighter, feel lighter than the other, and you're going to do the other. And believe it or not, it works like magic. You're going to find you can get back into your shoes and dance all night after that. So try this, and I'm sure you're going to love it.